Today I'm going to be reviewing TECKNET Optical Cordless Mouse. There's the box. That's what it comes in. This is just a little honey bottle so you get an idea of the size. There's my hand. You can see not very big. Normal size. What I really like is I do have this plugged in here, but this is where the USB sits. So if you're not using it, you just put it in there. Now, it takes 2 AAAs. It does not come with AAA batteries, so I had to put them. Not a big deal. This is inexpensive. It's really, I actually like this purple color. It's got a nice little grip there. It's actually rubber, which is kind of nice. It's got the wheel right there. This features 5 level adjustable DPIs, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000, and 2600. Plugged it in through one of my USB-C hubs. Works really nice. No problems. I don't expect much with a mouse. This comes in a bunch of different colors. So if you're looking for a different color, they've got it. It's inexpensive. And what is really nice is that this gets 4.5 stars. It's got 75,452 ratings. So people like this. It's very popular. And finally, in September of 2025, 10,000, that's right, 10,000 of these were bought. So it does really well. It's a mouse. I don't know what else to say. I hope this review helps. I'll see you next time.